Nicholas, tomorrow?
Oh, sorry, I was muted. I went yes. I said yes.
Oh, okay, good. Okay. Sounds good. Everyone is coming. We're getting there. All right. While we're waiting for everyone, let's just make sure we get to the right page to start. And we're going to work on page 455. So you can just go ahead and start with 455. All right. I think we're only missing one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, maybe 2. We're missing Serena and Matthew. And this morning, Father Marco is going to join us. So when you see that he's popped into our meeting, you won't be surprised. He's just coming by to say hello and see how you guys are doing.
Yay.
And Dante and Cedric, I heard you had a good class with Mrs. Lewis yesterday. And I also saw that you got started on your... Hey, Cedric.
Hello.
What did you think of your class with Mrs. Lewis? Yeah, I think you're muted. There you go. And I saw you guys started your Sum Dog, so you're not quite finished yet, but you're on your way. Yeah.
I will probably work on that up to my appointment for Sum Dog. Yeah. I'm not sure.
Right. Good. Yeah.
Can someone please mute themselves, Cedric?
You guys all should have started by now, at least, just so you get done by Friday.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start checking on page 455. We had to do just a few portions of this. Understanding the mean absolute deviation. Part A, it said calculate the mean and round it to the nearest whole number. All right, and we had been working with mean prior to this. So finding the mean should not be too bad. Let's start with Serena.
I got the answer of 53.
53. I got higher than 53. What did you divide by when you added them all up?
I divided by 2, 3, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. I'm going to have you try it again. Do you have your calculator?
Yes.
Okay. Try adding them up again. And I'm still trying to figure out who I'm missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm
missing Nicholas Willoughby.
I thought he was here already.
He was, but he left. Okay. It's the internet thing.
Okay, and Matthew. Okay. Try that again, Serena, and then Cassie. While Serena's doing that, I'm going to ask you what you got for that. So, Cassie, what did you get for the mean?
Some reason I can't find the page. What's the page again?
455.
There he is.
Okay, got it.
What do you have?
59.
Yeah, that's what I got. Serena, did you get 59 when you redid it?
Yes.
Okay, good. And then next thing you had to do was complete the table. So if you didn't have 59 as your mean, you're going to have to fix your table. Your numbers will be off a little bit. Okay, Serena, so erase kind of what you have in there, and then you're going to go back through. If the mean is 59, you're finding the distance. How far is this each point from the mean? So Nathan, can you read your table across what you filled in?
1, 1, 5, 3, 4, 6, 3, 0, 3, 1.
Good. Okay. So that was your table. And then I told you guys, you don't have to do this MAD part. MAD is the mean absolute deviation. Okay, so to calculate that, you have to add up all those numbers that Nathan just said. 1, 1, 5, 3, 4, 6, 3, 0, 3, 1. Add those all up and divide by 10. Okay, I'm going to check my email, see if Father Marco, maybe he's having trouble getting in. No. Okay. I don't see anything. Okay, so let's add those numbers up. 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 and 6 and 3, 0, 3, 1. You could use a calculator. You can add that up in your head. Do it with paper and pencil. Once you add them all up, divide by 10 again. You're dividing by the number of pieces of data you have. And that's going to give you your mean absolute deviation. Okay. All right, Nicholas Marks, what did you get when you added up all those numbers? Nicholas, go ahead and unmute so I can hear you.
Sorry, I didn't do all of them yet. That's what I was trying to do.
Okay.
I got 26.
Okay. And
27, I mean.
all right, I'm going to add them up quick. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 5, 7 plus 3, 10. 14, 20, 23, 26, 27. Good. Divide 27 by 10.
2.6.
Or 2.7.
2.7,
Yeah.
yeah.
And they want us to round it to the nearest whole number, so that would be
That'd be three.
closest to 3. All right, so you guys are going to say approximately 3. So in that box is kind of long, right, that you had to write in there. You should write where you're adding them all up. So I'll show you what it should look like. I always write my numbers too big. Now I have to squish them. All right, your box should look like this. All the numbers divided by 10. All right. And then next to it, you're going to write this symbol. Remember this one from class? It sort of looks like an equal sign. I call it the squiggly equal sign. That means approximately equal to, like it's almost 3. Okay. So put that in. Don't say equals 3. Say this. It almost equals 3, or it's approximately equal to 3.
Oh, wow.
Right? So that's mean absolute deviation. You find the mean, and then you see how far each piece of data in your set is from the mean, and you find the average of how far each piece is. Okay? So you guys worked on part B also, where you had to find the mean. So, Matthew Bellino, what did you get for the mean for part B? So this is the bottom of page 455.
I got 50.
Good. Yeah, it's approximately equal to 50. Good job. So on the next page, you have to complete the table, and you had to say how far each piece is from 50. Okay. So Nicholas Willoughby, did you have 50 also?
Yes.
Okay. So on the next page, tell me what you have in your chart where you had to write the distance from the mean.
Me?
This is the top of 456.
450. Oh,
Are you on
okay.
page-
So I wrote 4. 4, 3, 6, 2, 4, 2, 7, 2, and 5.
Good. Okay. So those are the numbers. Now, the next part you didn't do, but what you're going to do in that box is add those all up. So you're going to write that in the box. 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4. All right. Going to add up all of those numbers, and you're going to divide by something. Serena, what are we going to divide by this time?
Mrs. Palmer, I got a quick question.
Yep.
When Father Marco comes, should we have all our picture things off?
Divided by 9.
We should be able to see you all the time. You should always have your cameras on. There's Father.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Good morning.
You are St. Joseph.
Well, not St. Joseph, but a St. Joseph's. Is that what my screen name says?
Yeah.
It's a St. Joseph Church.
Okay. Well, good morning, everybody. Nice to see us.
Morning, Father.
Good morning.
Let's see who's here. I see Serena and Nick and Kathy and Cedric, Dante, Matthew, Nathan, and Nick. Good. Like a lot of people are here.
Yeah, Father, the whole class comes every day.
I'm so proud.
Yeah.
I
Me
imagine
too.
this can't be easy. You know, maybe the first couple of weeks, yeah, it was different. Right now it's getting a little more.
Easier.
Plus, we're getting to the end of the school year.
Yeah, we are.
Started coming fast. Yeah. Kind of sad for the 8th graders.
Yeah, it is. It is sad, but we're making the most of it. I got to visit with them, and we're going to do something special for them too. So I can't give it away though.
Okay.
So how was Easter for everybody?
Easter was good. Easter was okay, yeah. It
Yeah.
was good. Yeah.
Yeah, and everybody probably had a different Easter than you've ever had before.
Like not going out to do something, or like not going to church.
Yeah.
On Easter, like, it just feels different.
Yeah.
'Cause that's what we normally do. We went to our grandmother's, but we were sitting in a room like 6 feet apart still. So
So you were able to see family, huh?
yeah, just our grandmother though.
Yeah. How about others?
Yeah, boys and girls, you can unmute your microphones when you can talk to Father.
So, my family, we did what we did like every year. We have like a tiny Easter egg hunt, I guess you could say.
Oh,
And
yeah?
we watch movies all together, usually on Saturday or Sundays. So whoever like won the Easter egg hunt, like got to pick the movie.
Nice. That's a creative idea. So who won in your family?
Me.
Does that happen all the time?
No, sometimes.
What movie did you pick?
I forget.
It was so long ago, you know. Easter
Yeah.
Sunday. 2 years ago. No, 2 weeks ago. I got to Zoom with my family, so there were probably 8 different houses, and we were all talking, and yeah, it wasn't the same, but it was nice to see each other. Yeah.
Yeah, that is nice.
Well, I have a special surprise for you today to help brighten your day. Some of you may have heard that I have a cat before. So here's my cat.
Oh my gosh, that's
Her name
cute.
is Peanut.
What's her name?
Peanut.
Aw.
It's a beautiful cat.
Yeah.
What kind is she?
She's kind of like a
Is she a tabby?
just like a tiger cat, you know. But
Oh,
she's
like a Garfield?
brown, and she has like stripes.
Hi, Peanut.
One time I was, you might know that I was the campus minister at Bloomsburg University before, and I was talking with one of my college students, and I said to her when she came down the steps into the room, "Oh, here's my cat Peanut." But she was like 22 pounds back then. And I said, I think we should call her Coconut, you know, because Coconut's a little bigger than a peanut. So she turned over and she went, yes.
She's like, never call me Coconut.
And she ran out of the room. And I said, she's just sensitive about her weight. We have to watch how we talk about her. So, not really. But she's lost some weight since then. So, yeah. Do you guys have pets at home?
I have too many.
You have one really fat one.
I'm not gonna go down the list of how many animals we have.
Okay. So
But-
more than a few.
We have cats,
We have a
dogs,
puppy
and
right here.
birds. So
Wow.
if you want to come see a zoo, just come over. It's free.
How about everybody else?
We did
My
have that.
puppy's right here.
Yeah.
I don't have one.
No. Matt looks like he's trying to get his pet.
Yeah, my dog is right here.
He's not cooperating.
She's a pup.
Not.
Here. Rosie, come here.
Hey Nick, where's
She
Chance?
just got shaved, so her face
Oh.
looks really funny. Yeah, she doesn't like being on camera.
He's
She's
camera
shy.
I have
Um,
a child, but he's huge now.
She had so many knots in her hair that they had to shave her down, but they couldn't get her face because she was really tired, so they were afraid they'd hurt her.
Yeah.
So they stopped at her face, so her face is extremely big and her body's really small.
Oh boy.
Nick has a pet. Nick W.
Uh-huh. Yeah, he said.
Yeah, his name is Chance. I've seen him before.
Okay. I'm trying to remember. Chance is a dog, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I want you guys to know that I really do to miss you and coming in to see you guys in the classrooms and stuff. And I think we have something to look forward to when we can do that again. And but it's nice to be at least able to see us this way as well.
Yes.
And we're going to have an all-school mass on Friday, if you didn't hear the good news yet. Mr. Gilger is helping me with that, and we're going to do that live stream, which will be like the first time that I'm doing live stream. I've recorded and uploaded to YouTube all of our masses, but this will be new for me.
What
So
time will this be?
9 o'clock or 10 o'clock.
Okay. And how are we gonna do this? There's gonna be like, our screens are gonna be so small with people.
Well, Mr. Gilger's figuring all of that out. But since
Okay.
mass is not like school where you need to see each other, probably you'll all see me, but you probably won't see each other. So.
Okay.
Because you're right. Otherwise, it would look like a puzzle piece with everybody's face on the screen. Well, I don't know. Does anybody have any like questions or comments or anything they want to share? Or I know it's early in the morning.
No, I'm good.
Good. And you got a cat there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big girl.
Yeah, she's big. Very, very big.
Aw.
She's not camera shy.
Oh no, she's not shy. Oh, she's falling.
Mrs. Palmer, did I see in the background you have a dog there too?
Yes, I have a dog. I have 3 dogs in my house now because
Oh, wow.
I have kids who live out of town, but that are kind of staying sequestered here because they're from Philly and Pittsburgh. So I
Okay.
have 3 dogs right now.
Wow.
Yeah, 3
Hey,
dogs.
The
And
more the merrier.
yes.
Yeah, I can say the list we have now.
Yeah. Well, everybody, it was good seeing you today, and I look
Mhm.
forward to seeing you in person soon.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah. Nice to see you too, Father.
Good to see
thank
you.
you. Thank you. And
Yeah,
God bless you all.
thank you for coming in.
Thanks for the invitation. God bless you. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye, Father.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Say
Bye.
bye to Peanut.
Bye, Peanut.
For us, not for you.
Oh,
You see her all the time.
meow.
Oh, that works. Yeah.
All right, boys and girls. So that was nice. I'm so glad Father stopped by. And that's good news that we can all go to Mass together on Friday. So, yeah, it'll be May 1st. So it'll be First Friday this week. All right. Do you guys remember where we were at the top of page 456?
Oh, yeah.
And we just said we were going to add up all these numbers and divide by, I think, Serena, you were telling me what to divide by. How many numbers are there?
9.
9. Good. All right. And so when we add these all up, Cassie, what did you get?
7, 13, 15,
What are the numbers again?
19,
Are these the ones you have in your list?
22, 30, 35.
Are these the same numbers you had, Cassie? Can you see them?
I didn't get to write them down.
Well, did you have different ones in your chart?
3.8.
No.
Okay. Nathan, did you add them all up and divide by 9?
Yes, I did.
What did you get me out of them all up?
I don't
You remember-
remember that, but I know my total answer.
Oh, what's your total answer?
4.
Good. Yep. When you add them all up, you should get 35. And that's close to 4. So if you do 35 divided by 9 on your calculator.
You don't need to say what it says.
Yeah, 3 point, a whole bunch of 8s. And then a 9. So you're not going to say equals, but you're going to do squiggly equals. You're going to say approximately equal to 4. Okay. The next examples that they show us, they're talking about if you had 2 sets of data and did that with 2 sets, you would find out which one is further from the mean than the other. We're not going to do that. But what I'm going to want you to work on is page 459 to 460.
For homework?
Yep, I'm going to give you the numbers. Let me just write it down so you can see it. Numbers 1 to 6. Okay, so you're going to be.
Are we going to do 7 and 8? Or no? Later?
No.
Cross them out?
No, I want you to do 1 to 6. And so then you might have some extra time that you normally would spend doing your math because you don't have as many problems tonight. So I want you to get started on your Sum Dog challenge if you haven't already done it.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank
So I
you.
want to make sure everyone gets their points for that. So when I look at my Sum Dog tonight, I should see that everybody has logged in and done, at least 20 of the problems.
Uh-oh.
Okay, it's just playing the game. So jump pipe is my favorite.
And when is it due again?
Friday.
Okay.
Okay. So these 1 to 6, and then if you guys are writing down, say Sum Dog, so you remember All right, after I finish those 6 problems, I'll log in and do a little bit of SumDog. Okay? And then tomorrow, I'm excited because we'll be working on box plots, and I love box plots. That's what we'll be doing tomorrow. Okay? You guys have any questions?
I'm good. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. All right, so that gives you like 5 minutes to take a breath and get a quick drink, run to the bathroom before you go to Spanish. Okay, have a good day, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.